What is Kirchhoff's current law? Kirchhoff's current law, or KCL, states that the algebraic sum of all the currents entering a junction or point is equal to the algebraic sum of all the currents leaving it. To understand this law, let's consider two electric bulbs and a battery of voltage V connected together by wires. Now to analyze this circuit, let's replace the bulbs and the battery with their respective electrical symbols. We know that due to voltage V across the battery, current flows through the circuit. Now let's consider any junction, say A. Let current I enter this junction from the battery. Now, as the resistances are connected in parallel, we see that current divides into two components. Let I1 be the current flowing through R1. And I2 the current flowing through R2. Now if we take the sum of I1 and I2, we see that it's equal to I. Thus we can say that the total current leaving the junction will be equal to the total current entering the junction. This is stated by the Kirchhoff's current law. Note that KCL also states that the algebraic sum of all the currents meeting at a junction is 0. The related term is